What's up, guys? Are you looking for more protection on the side of your Polaris RZR PRO XP? Well, SuperATV has you covered with our heavy-duty Nerf bars, and today we're going to show you how to get them installed. So the first thing you're going to want to do, if your machine came with the stock skid plate, which it should have, you're going to have to remove all the hardware that runs down this frame. It's very easy. We'll put a diagram up on screen here to show you which hardware you need to remove. So ours is equipped with a SuperATV heavy-duty skid plate, which you can pick one up off of superatv.com. We just went ahead and removed the whole side panel here. It makes it a lot easier, and with it being this ARMW material, you can't really pry it down as well as you can the thin stock skid plate. So we went ahead and removed it. Again, if you are running the stock skid plate, you don't have to remove it completely. You can if you'd like, but I just recommend removing all your side hardware, kind of prying it down, you know, lodging something in here to keep that skid plate down out of your way. That way you can get in there and work. So the hardware you're going to be needing is going to be your two long spacers. You'll have 4 of them in the kit, so just go ahead and grab 2. And we're going to have 3 flat washers here, 1 for each bolt, and then 3 of our M10 hardware. So right off the bat, what I like to do is start with this hole up here. This one is absolutely the most tricky one to get a bolt into, just because the floor panel's right there and you kind of got to wedge this bolt in there sideways. So what we're going to do is show you how to get this bolt in and then what you need to do next. So what you're going to want to do is take your flat washer, slide it up here just like this, and then take your bolt, angle it through the flat washer, and get it kind of slid up in here into position. So then your bolt will just be sitting in the hole. So what we're gonna do is take our spacer, we're gonna slide it onto the threads of the bolt, and just slide it right in. Now what I'm gonna do is go ahead and grab the Nerf bar, get it up here, and get the hardware started with this one, because this is as far back as this bolt can go. So it kind of makes it a little bit tricky if you put that one in last. So we're gonna get this one started first. So just get it lined up. All right, so we got that one good and started. So the next hole is gonna be right here. We kind of just grabbed a hold of the Nerf bar, pulled it away from the machine, slid it down a little bit so we can slide our spacer in. So once we have our spacer in, we're going to go ahead and grab a washer as well as our bolt, slide it through just like that. So we'll have our hardware started through here, and we'll just get our Nerf bar lined up. Let's go ahead and start getting it threaded in there. So we have our hardware started there. Now what we need to do is open up the door of the machine. And we're just gonna reach right back through here. So we're just gonna take our hardware, go right through this factory hole where it lines up with our Nerf bar. So now we're just gonna go through, fully tighten all our hardware. I'm gonna start right here on the middle bolt. Now we're going to go to the front, and you'll have to tighten this with an open-ended wrench. So make sure you get it nice and tight. And then we're going to go to the inside and fully tighten it as well. So once you went through, fully tightened all the hardware, just go ahead and repeat the same exact steps for the opposite side. And that's all there is to it to install SuperATV's heavy-duty Nerf bars on this Polaris RZR PRO XP. For more information on these Nerf bars or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call or check us out online. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.